going on, guys? Back to you with another video. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and showing y'all some remotes, like the it's for 04 Suburban, but you can use for like Suburban, Yukons, Escalades, Avalanche, vehicles like that. But don't you know how you get to your key? Then the factory remotes either go out or be missing, and the vehicle got keyless entry, and you don't know what to do about it. You can get these right here. Let me show you. Right here. Let's get the unboxing. Get these off Amazon cheap. I think I got both these for 15 bucks. Check it out. Both these for 15 bucks. Let's open them up. Let's open them up, shall we? Ooh. Yeah, and I think that is a website you can go to, www.remotes.com, and it show you, I guess it's, let me see, click programming, select the vehicle, and scroll to, but I guess it show you how to, it said free programming resources available, show you how to program it and everything like that. I believe I still know how to program it. When I get in the vehicle, it'll refresh my memory, but these was ordered for 04 Suburban. But that's cheap though for these remotes. A lot of people think that, I got to go to the dealership, pay $100 for it. They got to pay for them to program it. But nah, man, these suckers came right off of Amazon. Come with the part number, everything. They well made. It's heavy. I believe it come with the battery. Feel like he got the battery in it. No. Honestly, it's just like the what you call it? The factory. Feel like the factory is heavy, because usually you get these remotes and they be light, cheap, generic made, but this actually feel like the real remote. If you ever had one of these remotes for a GM or Chevy, when you feel this, you're gonna know. Come with the little ring and everything like that. Got two of them, got the batteries in it, so yeah. I was just doing the unboxing. I'm probably gonna do the programming and another video, because I got something to do right now and I can't really go out there and program it. I got other stuff to do to it first. But yeah, if you lost your remotes, or you bought a vehicle, it didn't come with the remotes, or your remotes just stopped working, I highly suggest you order these. On Amazon, 15 bucks. Can't beat it. Alright, guys. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thumbs up if you like it, thumb down if you didn't. It don't matter to me, either way. So yeah, don't forget to be safe out there, man, and take care of yourself and what's going on right now. Just be careful, be safe. All right, guys, catch you in the next video. I'm out. Perfect.